Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm right here to explain about the symbol used in basic mathematics. Okay, first I will to introduce it to the members of group A. The first is Yanti Yuniarti. The second is Yanti Kumarasari Baso. The third is myself. And the last is Angel Cindy Aprili Ninggolan. Mathematic symbol related to the topic of mathematical symbol. Lancelot Homeck 2005 stage. On the topic of mathematical symbol, every meaningful mathematics statement can also be expressed in plain language. Many plain language statements of mathematical expression would fill several pages, while to expression them in the mathematical Latin might take as little as one line. For example, like the plus or equals symbol, as we know, use a line that is parallel or crossed, but it has meaning simple language to understand it. It takes many way to expression one or more symbol.
Hai, perkenalkan nama saya Angela Cindy Armili Nainggolan. Saya akan melanjutkan presentasi dari teman saya. Yang pertama itu, ini simbol untuk himpunan. Set object between them are elements of a set. Contohnya itu, himpunan A, X dengan X kurang dari 10, dengan X elemen bilangan asli. Yang kedua, logical implication. Logical implication adalah hubungan antara dua pernyataan di mana pernyataan kedua merupakan konsekuensi logis dari pernyataan pertama. Contohnya itu seperti ini. X sama dengan 3, maka X kuadrat sama dengan 9. Selanjutnya, logical equivalence. Dua pernyataan dikatakan ekuivalen jika dan hanya jika bentuk yang dihasilkan itu setara. Contohnya itu seperti ini. X sama dengan Y tambah 1 ekuivalen atau setara dengan X kurang 1 sama dengan Y. Selanjutnya, universal quantifier. Contohnya itu, jika SX dengan X adalah seorang mahasiswa IT dan GX dengan X adalah seorang yang pandai. Apakah arti dari untuk semua SX maka GX? Maka jika X adalah mahasiswa IT, maka X adalah seorang yang pandai. Atau semua mahasiswa IT pandai. Selanjutnya, existential quantifier. Contohnya itu, PX, jika PX dengan X adalah seorang dosen IT, dan GX dengan X seorang yang pandai. Tanda E terbalik ini dibaca ada atau beberapa. Ada X, PX, dan GX. Saya ulangi. Apa arti ada atau beberapa PX dan GX? Maka ada X sedemikian sehingga seorang dosen IT dan X adalah seorang yang pandai. Atau setidaknya satu orang dosen IT seorang yang pandai. Selanjutnya, kurung kurawal. Contoh kurung kurawal itu seperti ini. 2 tambah 2 ditambah 6 kurang 1 ditambah 1 tambah 1 dikali 5 kurang 2 menjadi 4 tambah 5 ditambah 2 kali 3 sama dengan 9 ditambah 6 sama dengan 15. Selanjutnya, natural number atau bilangan asli atau bilangan bulat positif. Contohnya itu 1, 2, dan 3. Selanjutnya, the set of integers atau himpunan bilangan bulat. Bilangan bulat terdiri dari bilangan bulat negatif, bilangan bulat positif, dan bilangan bulat negatif. Contoh bilangan bulat positif 1, 2, 3, dan seterusnya. Contoh bilangan bulat negatif negatif 1, negatif 2, negatif 3, dan selanjutnya. Kemudian rational number. Contohnya itu bilangan rasional adalah bilangan yang dinyatakan dengan A dan B, dengan B bilangan bulat, dan B tidak boleh sama dengan 0. Contohnya itu 1/2, 2/3, dan 5/4. Selanjutnya, the set of real number atau bilangan real. Contohnya itu akar 2, akar 5, dan akar 8. Selanjutnya, himpunan kosong. Contohnya itu A, himpunan bilangan ganjil yang habis dibagi 2. Sekian dan terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yanti Kumalasari Baso. My student ID number is 210504639. I'm from Mathematics Education Study Program, Class B. I will continue the material of symbol used in basic mathematics. Set intersection, read intersect. Example, member of set A equals to 1, 2, 3. Number of set B equals to 3, 4, 5. Set of set A and set B equals to 3. Set union, read union. Example, member of set A equals to 1, 2. Union of set A and set B equals to 1, 2, and 3. Proper subset, read is a proper subset of. Example, member of set A equals to 1, 3, 5. Member of set B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is a proper subset of set A and set B. Is a subset of. Example, member of set A equals to 3, 4, 5. Member of set B equals to 3, 4, 5. Is a subset of set A and set B. Element, read is an element of or is a member of. Example, 3.5 is an element of real number. 1 is an element of natural number. Non-element, read is not element of or is equal to. Example, 2.1 is not element of natural number. Quality, read equals or is equal to. Example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Not equality, read does not equals or is not equal to. Example, 1 plus 1 is not equal to 3. Approximate equality, read is approximately. Example, the square root of 2 is approximately 1.41. Inequality, read is less than. Example, 4 is less than 5. Weak inequality, read is less than or equal to. Example, 5 is less than or equal to 6 and 5 is less than or equal to 5. Inequality. Read is greater than. Example, 3 is greater than 2. Maybe that is all for me. I apologize if I have a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Yuniarti with NIM 210-504-6038. Okay, next I will explain more symbols used in basic mathematics. This symbol is weak inequality. We can read this symbol is greater than or equal to. The meaning of this symbol: if x weak inequality y, x is greater than or equal to y. For the example, 2 is greater than or equal to 1, and 2 is greater than or equal to 2. Next, the symbol is addition. We can read the symbol plus. The meaning of addition: x plus y is the sum of x and y. For the example, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Next, this is subtraction. We can read the symbol minus. The meaning of subtraction: x minus y is the subtraction of y from x. For the example, 5 minus 3 equals 2. Next, these are symbols is multiplication. We can read times or multiplied by. The meaning of these symbols: x times y is the multiplication of x by y, or x multiplied by y is the multiplication of x by y. For the example, 4 times 5 equals 20, or 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. Next, the symbol are quotient. We can read these symbols over or divided by. The meaning of these symbols: x over y is the or x divided by y is the division of x by y. For the example, 20 over 4 equals 5, or 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Next, the symbol is ration. Ration or proportion. We can read this symbol is 2. And the example, the symbols 3 is to 5. Next, this is same. The symbol is logical expression. We can read the symbol such that. For the example, 3 such that 5. Next, this is it. Product. This symbol is product or all natural numbers from 1 up to a counter whole. We can read the symbol factorial. The meaning of this symbol: N factorial is the product 1 times 2 times 3 blah 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 mungkin bisa kita bilang 1 dikali 2 dikali 3 dikali sampai N, sebanyak N. For the example, 5 factorial equals 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 equals 120. Next. Ketiga simbol ini quantification. We can write the symbol the quantity or round brackets. Second, we use these symbols outside round brackets. The symbol is square brackets. Next, quantification. We can use the symbols outside square brackets. The symbol is curly brackets. It's all for me.
Okay, that's enough from group 8. The conclusion is that the symbols are complicated language and it makes many ways to express them. And I say goodbye to Rishan if the is a wrong word or the is a word that is not pleasing to me. I am so sorry and see you next time.